You can no longer make a lot of money from affiliate marketing, without having many offers. Imagine affiliate marketing as a big store, like Walmart, or other big stores. That big store can hold about 20,000 products, or offers. Now, imagine you own that huge store, where you can store 20,000 products, and you only have 20. Maybe 1 or 2 people would buy once from your store, but when they come back for more and see that you, unlike other stores, do not have a great choice for shopping, they will have to look for other big stores. Do you see now how important it is to have many products, or more choices so that customers can come to you, and more importantly, potential buyers, or buyers themselves, will gain your trust? Now, if we translate what we have said so far, into the language of affiliate marketing, it means that, the more content we have, the more potential buyers we will have, and the more we will be able to sell. I see on the internet that there is too much talk about the algorithm on Google or YouTube. Yes, we should try to figure out the algorithm, but we should always keep in mind that this algorithm is made by humans. This algorithm works just like the life we live in now. This means that everything we do in affiliate marketing should be almost natural. That's why the algorithm of Google or YouTube requires us to use a natural flow of writing when doing SEO. Writing should have a natural sense of explaining things. That is why the content we create should have a logical and natural way of development. Now, do you see how affiliate marketing is related to real life? Always try to do your best if you want to succeed. To have a successful affiliate marketing business, you must be patient, innovative, cunning, and look at this business just like any other business in the real world. As long as you think that with a little effort you will earn a lot, you will never earn anything. Therefore, grow your store, fill it with interesting products, take care of it, and it will make your life much more beautiful.